In today's video, I will walk you through how to install Shopify Point of Sale. To begin, navigate to the left side of your Shopify dashboard. In the menu, locate the Apps option and click on it to continue. Once the Apps section opens, you will be able to search for applications that can be added to your Shopify store. Find the search bar within this area and enter Shopify Point of Sale. After entering the app name, review the search results that appear on the screen. Locate the official Shopify Point of Sale app from the list and click on it to open the app page. When the app page loads, look for the Install button. Click Install to begin the installation process. After selecting Install, Shopify will display a confirmation screen. Review the information shown and confirm that you want to continue with the installation. Once you confirm, Shopify will begin installing the application into your store. Wait for the installation process to complete. After the installation finishes, the Shopify Point of Sale app will open automatically within your Shopify dashboard. When the app opens, you will be presented with a setup guide. Continue by reviewing the setup information displayed on the screen. Follow the instructions provided within the setup guide to continue the implementation process for Shopify Point of Sale. As you move through the setup screens, review each page carefully and continue using the options provided by Shopify. If a page takes a moment to load during installation or setup, wait for the process to complete before moving to the next screen. Continue following the setup guide until you reach the end of the configuration process shown inside the application. If Shopify displays additional setup screens after installation, continue through each section in the order presented. Make sure the installation process completes successfully before leaving the app. Review the information displayed in the setup guide and continue through any remaining prompts that appear. Once all installation screens have been completed and the setup guide has finished loading, the Shopify Point of Sale app will be available from your Shopify dashboard. You can return to the Apps section at any time and select Shopify Point of Sale from your installed applications list if you need to access it again. The installation process consists of opening the Apps section, searching for Shopify Point of Sale, selecting the official app, clicking Install, confirming the installation, and following the setup guide that appears afterward. After completing these steps, Shopify Point of Sale will be installed and available within your Shopify store. And that is how to install Shopify Point of Sale. Thank you for watching.